We came to the water, sinners all were we, for we'd heard a man could be reborn, then he'd be set free. Oh, I've never done a hard time, but I've had a few. Some of the wrongs that I have done will make you shift in your Sunday pew. I am oft intoxicated on sorrow and my shame, and guilt makes a right fine prison cell when you're afraid of your own name. Came to a stream of life, as clear as glass and as cold as ice. My heart sank as I looked in, bought a pint of faith, and I rolled my dice. On the water so sweet there was just ankle deep, but we had prisons to bury, so we rolled our clothes and braced for the cold, to leave all that we had to carry. And we dammed the water to freeze the dam. We dug the stones from the riverbed. In the stream of life we formed a coffin. I'd be damned if that water didn't cover my head. Drown the young and old in that sea of grace. We all rose the same. We splashed like children, we did, in that sea of grace. We danced in the forest like flames. Grace was enough, and grace is enough, and grace always will be more than enough to change an old man.